Tonight, we're talking about something incredible, the 2026 blood moon, a total lunar eclipse. A rare moment when the moon turns red and the whole world looks up. Let's begin. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth moves directly between the sun and the moon. Earth blocks the sunlight. Its shadow falls on the moon. Slowly, quietly, the moon begins to darken. But this isn't just darkness, it turns red, deep red. That's why it's called a blood moon. There are different types of lunar eclipses: penumbral, partial, and total. In a penumbral eclipse, the shadow is faint, you might barely notice it. In a partial eclipse, a piece of the moon disappears, it looks like something took a bite out of it. But in a total eclipse, the entire moon enters Earth's shadow. That's when it glows red. Now here's the amazing part. The moon isn't producing red light. Earth's atmosphere is doing the magic. When sunlight hits Earth, blue light scatters, red and orange light bend around the planet. That red light reaches the moon and paints it crimson. It's the same reason sunsets are red. You're watching every sunrise and sunset on Earth, reflected onto the moon. Think about that. Every sunset, at once. So when can you see it? In 2026, this total lunar eclipse will be visible across large parts of the United States, including Ohio and South Florida. If the sky is clear, you won't need a telescope, you won't need special glasses. Just step outside, look up, and watch. The eclipse happens in stages. First, the penumbral phase. The moon slightly dims. Most people won't even notice. Then the partial phase begins. A dark curve appears. The shadow grows, slowly swallowing the moon. Then totality. Everything goes quiet. The moon glows red. It feels surreal, almost unreal. Totality can last over an hour. Plenty of time to watch. Plenty of time to record. Now let's talk about why this matters. Lunar eclipses help scientists study Earth's atmosphere. The shade of red tells researchers about dust levels, pollution, even volcanic activity. If the moon looks darker than usual, it could mean more particles in our atmosphere. So this isn't just beautiful, it's scientific. Historically, blood moons terrified ancient civilizations. Some thought it meant war. Others believed it was a sign from the gods. In ancient Mesopotamia, eclipses were seen as warnings to kings. In other cultures, they were believed to be dragons eating the moon. Today, we understand the science, but the wonder remains. Let's talk photography. If you want to capture it, use a tripod. Stability is everything. Lower your ISO if the moon is bright. Increase it during deep totality. If you're using a smartphone, turn on night mode. Zoom carefully. Don't rely on digital zoom too much, and record video during totality. That red glow is unforgettable. Weather matters. Clear skies are essential. Check forecasts in advance. Cloud cover can block everything. Even thin clouds can ruin detail, so plan ahead. Find a dark area, away from city lights. The darker your surroundings, the brighter the moon will appear. Here's something most people don't know. During totality, the sky becomes darker. You can see more stars, sometimes even the Milky Way becomes visible. It feels like nighttime deepens for a moment. It's peaceful, almost cinematic. Myth time. Does a blood moon affect human behavior? No. Does it cause disasters? No. Is it dangerous to look at? Not at all. Unlike a solar eclipse, you can stare at a lunar eclipse safely for as long as you want. Let's imagine the night. You step outside. It's quiet. The air feels cooler. You look up. The moon slowly darkens. People around the world are watching too. Different countries. Different time zones. Same moon. That connection alone is powerful. And here's why events like this go viral. They're rare, they're dramatic, They're visual. They remind us how small we are and how beautiful the universe is. If you miss this one, don't worry. There will be future eclipses, but each one is unique. The exact color, the exact brightness, the exact sky conditions. Never the same twice. So what should you do now? Mark your calendar, check local timing, charge your phone, invite friends, make it an event. Because moments like this don't happen every night. When totality begins, pause. Don't just record. Look at it, take it in. The red moon above you. Earth's shadow stretching into space. The universe moving exactly as physics predicts. It's quiet proof that we live in something extraordinary. And when it's over, the moon slowly brightens again. The red fades, silver returns, like nothing ever happened, but you'll remember it. Because for a brief moment, the sky changed color, and you witnessed it. Thanks for watching. If you love space content like this, subscribe. Share this with someone who loves astronomy. And tell me in the comments, where will you be watching the 2026 blood moon? Until next time, keep looking up.